to create a fiscal year variant in SAP. To create a fiscal year variant in SAP, go to SPRO, click on SAP reference IMG, click on financial accounting new, click on global, click on financial account global setting, then click on ledgers. Under ledgers, you will see fiscal year and posting periods. Click on that and click on the first option, maintain fiscal year variant, and execute it. So you will see here SAP has already given some standard fiscal year variants. You can select from the standard one. If not, you can create your own. See, if your fiscal year starts from Jan and ends in December 31st, you can select this one K4. This is the standard one, and you have to select this checkbox because your fiscal year starts as a calendar years. Like you are starting your fiscal year from 1st of Jan, and that is also calendar year starts from 1st of Jan and ends at 31st December. So your fiscal year also ends at 31st December, so you have to select this checkbox. If not, what you have to do is you have to deselect this checkbox. Like for India, the fiscal year is always April to March most of the time. So in this case you will see calendar checkbox is not there because calendar year start from Jan, but the fiscal year is starting from April. So that is the reason you will not see checkbox here. If your fiscal year is starts from April to March, then select this one. If your fiscal year is any other, you have standard one, you can select any one of them. Like June to July, V6 you can use, October to September, V9 you can use. Now, what I will do is I will simply explain how we can create a new fiscal year variant. I'm just selecting one V3 just to tell. See, if I selecting K4, which is my calendar year, and if I double click on the periods, it will give me a information that calendar year does not require to maintain anything in the periods. Okay, now if my year is April to March, fiscal year is April to March, I'm selecting this one and I am clicking on the periods. So you will see here we have maintained some information over here. It's like if it is a Jan, you consider that as a 10th period. So this information I will completely explain you how we can do it if your fiscal year is not equal to calendar year. Let's say this is my first month, Jan, Feb, March, April, like that. You can enter 12 months, whatever the fiscal year you have, enter that one here. Let's say my fiscal year start from 4th. 4th is my April month and my fiscal year start from 4th. So for in a calendar, as per calendar this is 4th month, but as for financial year this is my first month. So enter first year, then it will be my second month. So like this you can enter. Then next year, that is currently these are all related to 2021 calendar year, and these 3 months Jan, Feb and March will fall under next year 2022. So in this case, we will consider Jan 2022 as 10th month of the financial year. This is 11th month and this is 12th month. Then you have to enter the dates, days of the month, like how many days we have for that month. So I think for Jan, I think for April we have 30 days, May 31. Sorry, it's my mistake. Yeah, you can start from here. Like Jan, we will have 31 days. For Feb, we will have 29 days. You have to always consider 29 days, even though we have a 28 days of month for that year. So always take 29. Then we have 31 here, April 30, May 31, 30 days in June, 31 in July, 31 in August, 30 days in September, 31 days in October, 30 days in November, 31 days in December. So here you will see these are all falling under this year, current year. So we will consider this as a 0 year. So there is no need to change in the financial year. So it will be considered as 2021 financial year. But here the calendar year is changing to 2022. So it is just this is my 2021 year, but because of my financial year is ending at March, and I need to reduce this to -1. So when I do -1 here, so even though it is 2022 calendar year, my fiscal year will always be 2021. So this information we need to maintain in SAP. So you will see here 1, 2, 3. The first three periods are Jan, Feb, March of next financial year. No, not next financial year, next calendar year. So that is the reason we need -1 here, and for remaining periods we don't need anything. 000 you can put. So I am explaining about year shift calendar. Now period we already discussed. As Jan 4th is my calendar year, 4th is my calendar year 4th month, but my financial year start with 4th month. So that is the reason I have considered that as a first month. So in SAP, whenever we post anything in the April month, that will be posted under first month of the financial year. Now we'll create one new entry here. I will come out of this, and I will come out of this. So this is where we will enter basically. Now first execute this one. Then you need to click on new entries. Give any name. Let's say we will give AP, Apple financial year. So I will give AP, Apple April to March, and number of posting periods will be 12, and number of special periods will be 4. This we basically require for audit related purpose. So after completion of the my fiscal year, so then we can use this special periods for audit purpose, and click on save option here. Then select this one, double click on the periods, then again click on new entries. You can directly put whatever we have entered in the Excel, 1 to 12 days, number of days, number of posting periods, and here year shift is required. Don't maintain fiscal year directly like 2021, 2022 and all this. You need to always maintain -1 0 like that and save. This is how we can create our fiscal year. Now we need to maintain this fiscal year under our company code. So our company code is 9001, that is Apple Inc. So I will assign this AP to the company code. So to assign the company code, we have the option under maintain fiscal year. So this is the option we have to select, execute this one and check for your company code. So my company code is 9001 Apple Inc. and give your fiscal year variant which we have created and save. So this is how we can create a fiscal year variant and assign the same fiscal year variant to company code.